A limit switch is a device used in automation and machinery control to detect the position and motion of objects. When an object contacts the switch's actuator, it activates the switch and sends a signal to control the equipment's start or stop. Commonly found in elevators, conveyor belts, and robots, limit switches can be categorized into types such as mechanical, photoelectric, and magnetic, depending on their structure and function. The choice of a limit switch should consider the specific operating environment and requirements. It plays a vital role in enhancing equipment automation, safety, and efficiency.